Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to set up and run Ornith locally on your Windows PC using Ollama. It only takes a couple of quick steps, so let's dive right in. First, head over to ollama.com in your web browser and click the Download for Windows button. Once the installer finishes downloading, launch the executable, click Install, and let the setup complete. Now that Ollama is ready, let's open up our terminal. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard, type in CMD, and hit Enter to launch the command prompt. Here's where the magic happens. Type in Ollama Run Ornith and hit Enter. Ollama will automatically start pulling the Ornith 9 billions model. The download is about 5.6 gigabytes, so give it a few minutes depending on your internet speed. If you happen to have a high-end GPU with plenty of RAM, you can also run Ollama Run Ornith 35B to try out the larger 35 billion parameter version instead. And it responds completely locally and offline. And that's all there is to it. You now have Ornith running directly on your Windows machine.